Hello everyone. So in today's video I figured I'd bring you guys along as I go get my new journal for my 2024 reading journal and share with you guys how I plan on setting it up. So this is my 2022-2023 reading journal, and there should have been a video that went up before this sharing you guys what this looked like, things that I was planning on doing differently, things that I'm not doing that I did this year that were just too much. But this is the one that I had originally bought, but the pages are lined, so I'm not really leaning to using this. I just want something more bullet journal-esque, so that is the plan. So I'm probably gonna head to Barnes & Nobles and see what they have. So I'll bring you guys along with me, see what they got, and then I will share with you guys all the supplies that I plan on using and how I set up my 2024 reading journal. Wow. Because that's the back.
That thing.
Oh, this is stuck. I like this, but this is too big.
You looking for lined?
I'm dotted or blank, like a bullet.
Why are you recording?
Because it's for a video.
Oh, YouTube too.
But I don't know if this is too small. They have some nice ones, but somewhere around here they usually have like a happy planner section. Hello everyone, I'm back from Target. I didn't really see anything that I liked there for a new journal, but so this is the one that I bought from Michael's. It's just a basic dotted bullet journal type thing, white pages, dots. I don't even think you can see that. This is the original journal I was planning on using, but it has lined pages, so did not want to go in with that. Hopefully this intro wasn't so long. I'm going to turn you guys over to my overhead camera. It will probably take me a few days to get this finished, but then we will do a full flip through of what my 2024 reading journal setup is going to look like. If you want to see what my 2023 reading journal setup was like, view the video before or a couple of videos before, and you will see what I did there. Hello everyone and welcome. Well, I guess I already did an intro, so I don't need to do another intro. But here is the journal I'm using. I already shared with you guys that it's from Michael's, and it's just their basic like bullet journal. It's dotted, and I will leave a link down below to all the supplies I'm using. Here I'm just sharing the color-coded theme that I'm going for, and these are all my supplies. Highlighters are mild liner and Mr. Pen. And my pens are Micron and Mr. Pen. I also have a tape runner and a corner cutter. So I will leave everything linked down below. Very simple supplies. I have a lot of colors. But you'll see that I didn't really color things. But I have a lot of colors because I decided to do a key. So I have a key for faith, manga, thriller, suspense, mystery. Then I have 3 different colors for romance because I really want to see at the end of the year what I am reading regarding romance, whether it's Christian, clean, or, you know, spicy content, because I'm trying to stay away from that. I also have a nonfiction section here, and I forgot fantasy, so I did add that in afterwards. But yeah, so this is my cover page that I'm working on here. I have that like craft paper cut out for my goals, and I will show you guys a little inspiration image, but I will let you guys just see what I'm doing. I'll fast forward so you guys can see how I decide to make my cover page, my goals page, which I didn't write out my goals because I plan on chatting with you guys about that in a separate video, and then my key, and I'll come back. So on this page, I just have challenges and my A to Z challenge. I for sure wanted to do my A to Z challenge this year. I really want to complete it too. I'm so close for my 2023, but I'm not going to do it. And then I just left the other page there available for any extra challenges or readathons that anyone might be doing this year that I want to join, but I'm not going to hold myself to anything more than the A to Z challenge. Last year I did a bunch of challenges, bingos, and did not complete them. So I was just like, we're going to stay simple this year. I do want to add more color to this page. I just really wanted to share with you guys like the simple, quick setup. And then I figured I'd go back in later on and add some more color. I'll try throughout the year to like give you guys updates on this reading journal. And of course I'll do a flip through at the end of next year to share with you guys how I filled it out and just what it's looking like. This page is my book tracker. I shared with you guys a little bit how I was filling this out, but it just took too much time, so I ended up doing the rest of it off camera. But I wanted each of the squares to be little post-it notes, and there's 3 or 4 different designs here, and it took forever, but I was able to fit 80 on this half of the page. My goal for 2024 is going to be to read 100 books. And I want to commit to that because if I want to give you guys recommendations and share with you guys books that I'm enjoying, I need to read. So that is the plan. My goal is to color these in based on my key that I showed you guys in the beginning. So that way I can visually see the books that I'm reading. I figured I did this and the bookshelf because I just think they look cute. So you'll see the bookshelf on the next page. And I did leave the page. I left this as a 2 spread page just because since my goal is 100, there's only 80 boxes here. I do need to eventually, hopefully, add another 20. With this bookshelf spread, I just did like stacks of books. As you'll see, some of them are going to be like a side view of the books, and those aren't ones that I'm coloring in, they're already black. For the bookshelves, I haven't decided if I want to color them in according to my key or just color them in with the colors that I'm using, and just another way to track the books that I'm reading. I always like how these pages look. It's very similar to the page before. I probably didn't need both of these, and one of these, probably this page, will be the one that I end up having to catch up on at the end of the year. But I thought it was just another cute thing to do. You definitely don't need both because they are the exact same thing. And I did leave this as a 2-page spread, the same as the other one. I didn't count how many books I added here, but I figured I might need more because that does not look like 100 books. The last page of my spread is my reading log, and this is just where I'm going to add the book title, the author, and just the initial of what the genre was. But I wanted to keep this super simple since I put up a mini review on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely do. I have a highlight for the books that I'm reading, and I chat with you guys in reading vlogs and stuff like that, so I didn't feel like I needed to have a whole page where I write the title and write a synopsis about the book or whether I enjoyed it or not. I wanted to keep this super simple just so I can have a full list of all the books that I'm reading. And this will not be color coded. It's super simple. Just write the title, write the author, and we're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are setting up a reading journal for 2024 and what your plans are for books next year. Are there any books that you guys are excited to read for next year, new releases, or anything you guys would like to recommend to me? I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.